So what can you do now to make yourself employable as a law grad, to make yourself attractive to legal employers out there? Employers know where you're at with your studies. If all you've done is go to high school, then straight to university, and then straight to PLT, and you're hitting the legal sector market, then they know that what you'll be bringing is probably most likely non-legal experience along with those studies, and maybe a bit of legal experience that you've gathered along the way. They want to know all about that. If you've had a career prior to law, if you've been a nurse or a teacher or a legal assistant, or a plumber or a mechanic. We've had all walks of life come through PLT at Leo Cousin, and people with all sorts of different careers. And they want to know what kind of employee you were, what skills you learnt in those areas. You know, the big firms were surveyed recently, and you know the recruiters, you know, really shared a lot of insights about, you know, that they're really interested in good social skills, a willingness to learn. They're interested in what experience you have, and they will look at your marks. But if you've had responsibility, if you've been in, you know, put under stress, and if you've demonstrated the kinds of attributes and skills and transferable skills that the lawyers will need, then they're very much interested in hearing about that. So if you have experience outside of the law, please don't leave it off your resume or reduce it to one or two little lines. If there's some qualities and attributes that you can demonstrate to an employer that you've shown in the workplace, then show it regardless of where you learn those skills.